Hello guys! This lesson, we're going to talk about how to use touch sensor to control buzzer. Firstly, connect touch sensor to I/O22 and I/O24 interface of Raspberry Pi expansion board. The principle and the command used in this lesson can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open LX terminal. Enter this command and press enter to come to the game programming category. Please note that you must be pay attention to case sensitivity and can fill in keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Okay, let's look at the performance.